Trash here, trash there, and trash everywhere. How long does a Mother Earth will suffer from our doings?
Waste segregation at the source is the most relevant step that will help the environment and helps to reduce the accumulation of garbage in landfills. Segregation post collection of garbage takes longer, costs more, and can wind up harming the environment if it leads to recyclable waste being sent to landfill. The waste container has an essential role in keeping the neighborhood clean, that is, by maintaining garbage locked in and collected by the authorities. Hence, waste container help prevent an environmental hazard and will result in a neat and tidy community. This project proposal is entitled Trash Bins from Recycled Materials, a waste management activity against waste pollution. Background: proper solid waste management is crucial for environmental protection and the well-being of human beings. If waste is improperly managed, may contaminate soils, water, and thereby affecting the quality of life. Improperly managed waste may also create nuisance and make human beings feel uncomfortable. The main components of solid waste management are generation, collection, transportation, and disposal. Generation of waste is an important stage whereby source reduction strategies can be implemented. However, for effective management, there is a growing interest for waste minimization through reuse and recycling, which necessitates incorporation of waste segregation in the waste management stream. When done properly, source waste segregation may reduce volumes of waste to be handled, which will ultimately improve the collection and disposal efficiency. In addition, waste segregation at source may ease handling and processing, enhance the potential for resource recovery, fosters the use and recycling, and reduce operational costs. One of the reasons why communal waste collection even came into force in the past way to reduce the spread of diseases and stench that inevitably emerge from places where trash used to be disposed of. Same way, waste containers today have an important role in keeping a neighborhood environmentally friendly by keeping garbage locked in and collected by authorities, hence preventing environmental hazard in keeping your neighborhood neat and tidy. Waste containers are there to help humans keep garbage in one place. However, many countries struggle because they don't have enough containers to install along the road or post. As a result, waste is scattered around the place, which causes harmful effects on humans' health and adds to environmental issues. Although containers' primary function is to keep trash in one place until removed, there are also underlying functions it also brings. Objectives: this project proposed aims to create trash bins from recycled materials, minimize the production of waste, protect groundwater resources, ensure sustainability, and protect the landfills. Significance of the study: waste management through the use of trash bin from recycled materials is important as it saves the environment from the toxic effects of inorganic and biodegradable elements present in waste. To household: trash bins from recycled materials can save money at the same time can save us from the effects of waste pollution. Community: having a clean community is what our community want to achieve. Through these trash bins, the garbage waste will be lessened and so the harmful effects of these. To people: waste pollution can give us various respiratory diseases and can damage our health. Through proper way of segregating our waste in the trash bins, we can prevent these diseases from putting our health at risk. Environment: waste are one of those materials that keep on destroying our nature. When these waste put into proper place where our environment will maintain its sustainability, then we can have a healthy environment. Review of related literature. Study was done at Western Michigan University in 2012 in their academic buildings by providing garbage bins as well as trash cans to students. The baseline results show that 20 to 30% less waste winding up in trash cans that will automatically go to landfills. The study provided separate bins for recycling plastic, glass, and metal objects. The study found that there were even more benefits of providing more recycling receptacles than just less trash in landfills. Some of these benefits included less littering around campus and decreased residential energy use. This positive behavior displayed by the student body and faculty on campus helped the environment by not only reducing material waste but by reducing energy waste as well. Estimates are that the recycling rate of glass used in campus rose to 27.1%. 35.1% of metal were recycled, and 62.5% of paper products used were recycled. These numbers were significant improvements from the 8.2% of all materials that were recycled in 2010. Methods. First, gather the materials. Soldering iron, wire cut, water butter, preferably same size, cable tie, and knitted wire. Second, cutting holes in bottle. Third, using cable ties to hold the bottle together. Fourth, connecting the top bottles. Fifth, connecting the set of bottles to each other. Sixth, cutting off the extra cable tie. 7. Connecting the bottle to the netted wire. Repeat the process to create 3 other sides and connect them until you get. Conclusions. Providing recycle bins in public places such as around academic buildings and a school's campus makes everyone more aware of their waste-causing habits. Not only can the institution, company, or business sell the recycle more material and save the waste from ending up in the landfills, but they can also sell the recycled products to a company who make new items for money. Institutions have also noticed other cost-saving benefits, such as reducing energy bills from other forms of used energy. The simple presence of things like recycle bins make people recognize and conscious of their habits and their results on the environment. Many places that have put out recycling containers also notice that overall energy use of the utilities such as electricity or water within the business as well. People are simply aware that they may be using excessive amounts of resources and cut back the waste. The recycling bin is a great constant visual reminder that we need to protect our planet in every way possible for ourselves and the next generation.